Hello, I'm Bruce Kowalchuk with Century 21, and we are just across the Assiniboine River from downtown at a prime location in Osborne Village. And I'm excited to show you 188 Roslyn Rd condominiums, where Suite 804 is for sale. This video will showcase everything for you. Let's take a full look at 188 Roslyn Rd and Suite 804. If you're looking for a lifestyle condo with top floor views of a great neighborhood, this is it. It's a great opportunity to bring out all the further potential in the space with your choices in style and decor. You'll love the windows, the views, and really enjoy the wraparound balcony open to the sky above. The suite has a rare open concept floor plan of 1,146 square feet, with 2 large bedrooms and a spacious 4-piece bath. What is rare here is that the second bedroom was opened up to the living room, and the same was done to the kitchen, creating a very desirable great room feel with flexibility. The longtime owner took great pride in starting the suite's renovation a few years ago with a new island kitchen design featuring granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, but that work had to pause there. Now just imagine what you can create here by continuing on to make it your own. Thank you for watching. There is more info and property details below. To set up a viewing, please contact me or your favorite realtor. If you don't have one, just give me a call. I'd be happy to answer all your real estate questions and go over the finer details of 188 Roslyn Rd and Suite 804. I look forward to booking your scheduled showing.